for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And armies, you know what? I was really not planning on shooting a BTS reaction today. I was planning to shoot another K-pop group reaction, but then when I opened my YouTube, I see that there is this video that has dropped of BTS, two videos in the Jimmy Fallon YouTube channel, one of Dynamite and another one of Idol, and I was a little taken aback when I checked the news and I found out that BTS is going to be doing an entire week of performance, BTS week. So honestly guys, I've already shot one reaction of Idol, one of their live performances, but I really want to watch this and I really want to shoot the reaction to this. So probably I'm not going to be posting this reaction today because I don't want to post two Idol reactions back to back. I'll probably post this the next day. So yeah, but you know, anything related to BTS gets me hyped up and I definitely want to see this performance and bring my reaction to you. I could have watched it just and let it go, but I really want to react to it because I sort of hunch that you guys will ask me to react to it, and this is the latest video, so of course I want to do the reaction. So yeah, without dealing this, let's react to Idol for the third time. This is so funny, man. Okay, let's start.
Hey YouTube, we're so excited about this. They are one of the most popular groups in music with fans all over the world.
Yes, I know.
Here now with an original, never-before-seen performance of Idol from their hit 2018 album, Love Yourself, Answer. Here is BTS.
Oh! Is this the Dechata set? Is this the place where they shot Dechata? It looks like that. Okay, pause. Ooh! Oh my god, is Cookie wearing a V-neck? Armies, at first shot only Cookie stands would have been dead. I love his ponytail! Oh my god, Namjoon!
Can't call me artist, can't call me idol. Honey, what don't matter. What a heck no idol.
They look gorgeous. How gorgeous do they look? I mean, I know they're gorgeous, but I don't know, man. Look at them, how gorgeous. Hobie with this comeback. Hobie has just won me with his unbelievable, his entire look in Dynamite and with the black hair, just, oh my goodness. Namjoon looks so nice. He colored his hair back to like brown, I think. Love what they're wearing. Woo! Yoongi stylist. Whoever has put this costume on Yoongi, I love you. I love you. Look at that costume. This is the best one, I think, out of all. This is the best outfit. Singing in Korean? Wait, let me just stop the subtitles. I know what they are saying. RM. This is not okay. How good they are sounding live. Oh my god, Yoongi's costume is killing me. They've put this outfit on Jungkook on purpose. Jungkook's stylist knows what he was or she was. I don't know if the stylist is a male or a female, but Jungkook's stylist knows what, I'm guessing, let's say it's he was doing by putting that V-neck and that cute ponytail. Jungkook bias armies, I am sorry, because I absolutely know you guys would have fainted. Oh wow. How amazing Taeyong sounds live. He just gives it his all. Woo! Jin also. Get their visuals. Woo! My God, they sound amazing live. Jungkook sounds so good. Woo! Even Jin, all of them. Woo! If anybody asks me, what does an angel look and sound like? I'm just gonna point at Jimin's picture. Jimin is the literal embodiment of an angel. His vocals and his visuals, look at this. Just screenshot this. Like, this is a freaking wallpaper, man. Jimin is just... I am so glad that he chose to never calm down, because he's extra, man. He's just super extra. He's an angel. For me, the image of an angel now is Jimin. It's Jimin. How great his voice, Jimin's vocals just puts you in a trance, man. Woo! Yes!
It's okay, honey, loving myself, it's okay. Let's go.
Look at the energy! Oh my God! I'm in love with them, man! I love them. I just love them. I love Bangtan Sonyeondan. What? Oh my God. They just kill it with every performance. Can we talk about a couple of things that firstly, their vocals. I think the stability of their voice with that choreography. Idol has a very, very upbeat and very difficult and very energetic choreography. And look at the dance that they are doing. They're putting their full energy on the dance. Not one step they are just standing and doing. Every step they're literally like dancing properly. And then they are singing live. It's just unbelievable. It's so difficult. I mean, you jog for 15 seconds. You literally you're out of breath. You're out of breath and you really can't talk. You struggle. At least I struggle to talk. And you need to sit down and take a breather, and them doing the choreography and singing, just I have utter like huge respect for all of these boys, like as performers. They are, why I end up loving the live performances. It's because of the the overall package that they delivered to us in terms of the set. Look at that set. I think this is the Dechata location. I'm guessing that they shot this in this location. Just, are you seeing the lighting? The way they have lit up the entire thing. They're all in black, except I think Yoongi's costume is navy blue. But they are wearing dark costumes. The background is dark, and then they have put these unbelievably cool lights. So just the entire feel of that, visual is so beautiful. Third, their voice is so stable live. I just love that. Jungkook sounds so great, and Jimin, when he starts, I'm so fine wherever I go. Just, it's like, his Jimin's vocals are like melted chocolate. It's like, that's the feeling I get. If I have to describe it in something tangible, it's like melted chocolate. He sounds so good. And everybody is looking so good, whoever has styled these boys. Everything is a chef's kiss for me. Seriously, it is. This is perfection. I find everything to be so perfect, and this is because of the immense amount of practice that they put into it. I loved it. I cannot wait to see more of their performances throughout this week, whatever they are going to be performing. And there is one more Dynamite video that they dropped, but I think I've reacted enough to Dynamite. Please let me know if you want me to react to it, otherwise I'll just watch it on my own. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to Idol, which is part of the BTS week performances. I cannot wait to see what other songs they perform. I hope they perform one of their older songs from Most Beautiful Moment in My Life. I wish they perform Blood, Sweat and Tears. What if they perform Fake Love? Oh my god, I cannot wait. I'm so excited to see what they perform. Or I would want them to perform a song which does not have an MV. That'll be cool. That'll be really cool. So yeah, that is it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed the reaction. Please do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye-bye.